Do you have a cough that just won't go away? Or maybe chest congestion that keep bothering you every day? Today I am going to show you a simple home remedy that can help you get relief from even long-term cough quickly and naturally. And the best part, you probably already have all the ingredients in your kitchen. Stick around because this natural remedy works for both dry cough and phlegm-filled cough. Let's get started. Hi, welcome to your health channel. If you are tired of trying different syrup and medications without results, this remedy could be a game changer. It is safe for adults and children above 10 years. We will also give you tips for making it even more effective so you can finally breathe easier and sleep better at night. Ingredient overview. For this remedy, you will need just 5 simple ingredients. First one is black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, helps thin mucus and clears your airways. Second one, kalonji seeds, black cumin, about 1 teaspoon. It relaxes your airways and reduces irritation. Third one, ajwain, carom seeds, 1 teaspoon. Relieves chest congestion and soothes cough. Fourth one, green cardamom, 4 to 5 pods, seeds only. It fights throat infection and clear mucus. And the last fifth one is fresh ginger, a small piece grated. Reduces inflammations in the chest and helps clear phlegm. That's it. All these ingredients are powerful for respiratory health and naturally reduce cough. Now the preparation instructions. Now let's make the remedy. First, mix all dry ingredients like black pepper, kalonji, ajwain, cardamom and ginger in a small bowl. Second, take 5 tablespoons of jaggery and put it in a small non-stick pan. Add a teeny bit of water so it does not stick. Third one, Heat on low flame until the jaggery melts completely. 4. Once melted, add the mixed spices to the jaggery. Stir well and cook for 1 to 2 minutes only. Don't overcook or it will taste bitter. 5th, let it cool slightly. Then store it in a clean glass jar. This mixture can be stored for several days at room temperature. Easy, right? How to use? To get the best results, take half teaspoon of this mixture twice a day. Once in the morning and once at night before sleeping. Always take it with warm water. Avoid cold or sour foods immediately after. Stay away from smoking or other irritants while using this remedy. For children aged 10 to 16, use 1/4 teaspoons instead. Do not give it to kids under 10. Benefits and why it works. Let us quickly talk about why this works so well. Black pepper thins mucus and clears the airways. Kalaji relaxes tight airways, helping you breathe easier. Ajwain reduces chest congestion and calms cough reflexes. Cardamom fights throat infection and clears stuck mucus. Ginger reduces inflammations in the lungs and helps get rid of phlegm. Together, these ingredients support your respiratory system naturally without harmful chemicals. You will notice relief within 10 minutes. And with regular use, even chronic cough can improve significantly in 3 to 7 days. Extra tip for faster results. To make this remedy even more effective, first, drink plenty of warm water throughout the day. Second, avoid cold drinks and ice creams. Third, steam inhalations with eucalyptus or mint can clear nasal passages. Fourth, maintain good air quality at home and avoid dust or smoke. These small habits can make your cough disappear faster and prevent it from coming back. Now the precautions. This remedy is safe for most adult and older children, but avoid giving it to children under 10. If you have a severe cough, high fever, or difficulty breathing, consult a doctor immediately. This is a supporting home remedy, not a replacement for prescribed medicine when needed. So try this simple home remedy and say goodbye to a stubborn cough naturally. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. So stay healthy, stay happy, and remember, a small daily remedies can make a big difference.